Welcome to Garden Life, the channel for all of your gardening needs. Don't you think it's disappointing to find that you have overwatered your plant? It feels so simple, but we can all be guilty of overwatering. In today's video, we will be talking about hydrogen peroxide and how it can help remedy your plant. Is it safe to use hydrogen peroxide on plants? That can happen to anyone. No matter how much expertise they have with plants, your favorite plant might be flourishing and picture perfect 1 minute, then wilted and decaying the next. You take the plant out of its container to examine its roots and notice that they are slimy and black, indicative of an overwatered plant that is going to die. When you find a plant with decaying roots, you usually have to embark on a rescue mission to see if you can save any of the plant. You could be forgiven for thinking the houseplant is already on its way to the compost bin. It's madness to put hydrogen peroxide on plants, right? After all, it seems counterintuitive to use a solution commonly associated with cleansing wounds to water your garden plants. This structure is surprisingly the garden's best friend. Hydrogen peroxide treatments are fantastic for your lawn, believe it or not. If that weren't surprising enough, it is also suitable for use in organic gardening. What makes it so fantastic then? Use the following tips to keep your home clean. That's only a teaser of what's to come, but I'm sure you're curious, so keep watching this video. Hydrogen peroxide's many uses in the garden. Hydrogen peroxide has various uses in gardening, and the United States Environmental Protection Agency approves it as an organic treatment for agricultural crops. Hydrogen peroxide has several uses. We all know that it can disinfect wounds, but did you know that it has many cleaning and disinfecting uses for the house and even for your garden? Treatment of root rot and soil aeration. Root rot is a common problem in gardens that are overwatered. In only 24 hours in wet, oxygen-depleted soil, root decay can become widespread. This time, hydrogen peroxide is the savior. By watering heavily with a diluted solution, The soil will quickly absorb the oxygen and be freed of the anaerobic conditions. Cleansing the water. Hydrogen peroxide is often used by urban gardeners who want to remove chemicals from their tap water. The following are the steps for eliminating chlorine, chemical pesticides, and organics. Hydrogen peroxide's chemical reaction when it breaks down allows it to clean, kill insects, and provide oxygen. Even if you don't understand the chemistry behind it, you should be aware that it breaks down into water and oxygen in air. H2O2 dissociates into H2 and O2, hydrogen and oxygen. One oxygen atom is produced at the beginning of the process. Oxygen binds to other molecules rapidly due to its instability. The oxygen usually forms stable oxygen molecules by binding with other oxygen molecules, but it may also serve as an oxidant to break down the organic tissue of pests. Hydrogen peroxide as a remedy for soil fungus and insect infestation. Hydrogen peroxide and water. Douse diseased plants with water. Once the oxygen is released, the soil will begin to bubble. Use the solution twice weekly, letting the top 2 inches of the soil dry out between waterings to control pests. Share this video and subscribe to our channel. This is Garden Life, the channel for all of your gardening needs.